Hello, my name is Patricia Quiros, and this is assignment 4. The topic I've chosen for the emerging technology is nanotechnology, but in the emphasis in film and television industry. Nanoscience or nanotechnology are the study and application of extremely small things and can be used across all the other science fields such as chemistry, biology, physics, material science, and engineering. By taking control of atoms and molecules individually, scientists and engineers are manipulating them and putting them to use to develop machines that will change our way of living. This new technology is spreading due to the rise in public awareness because of the references presented in film and television as well as in video games. As I mentioned, nanotechnology in films are mentioned in movies, books, video games, and television. Examples of films and televisions where nanotechnology is used. In 2004, iRobot, nanites are used to wipe out artificial intelligence in the event of a malfunction. When dealing with artificial intelligence, it is clear that as a society, we need to have some sort of fail system. In 2005, we have Doctor Who, television episode The Empty Child, The Doctor Dances. In this episode, Doctor Who appears in World War II era London, releasing nanobots, which transforms every human it comes into contact with into a gas mask wearing zombie. Next example is Transformers. This film was released in 2007, 2009, 2011, and 2014. We all know about Transformers and the nanobots. Example of robotics used with nanobots. In 2008, The Day the Earth Stood Still, the alien robot Gort disintegrates into a swarm of self replicating nanobots shaped like bugs that cover Earth and destroys all humans. As you can see, the truck is being devoured by the swarm of the nanobots. In 2012, Revolution, the TV show, is based on a worldwide blackout due to the manipulation of nanotechnology. In 2009, G.I. Joe: The Rise of the Cobra. The main plot is to save the world from a warhead containing deadly nanobots called the nanomites, which if detonated over a city could destroy it in hours. For example, here is the scene where the nanomites is destroying the Eiffel Tower in Paris, France. In 2010, we have Generator Rex. It's an American science fiction nanopunk action animated television series shown on Cartoon Network. It was based on a laboratory experiment gone wrong and infecting the world with bad nanites, which turned people into monsters. This is a perfect example how our kids at a young age are getting a taste of this technology already. In 2014, the movie Transcendence came out, and it's based on transhumanism. The main character, played by Johnny Depp, has his consciousness digitally uploaded into a computer. The reason why this movie brings transhumanism into light is because of a human instinct to stay alive. Scientists are currently working to capture memories into computers and placing them back into the brain, making transcendence a possibility in the far future. The business objectives. for this is that the movies and television industry will see a great change with the use of nanotechnology. Nanotechnology will create great advances allowing better visual special effects through the use of CGI, which are computer generated imagery. The reasoning behind this is because the creation of better cameras, more powerful computers, and new types of software. These softwares will allow better editing and will allow editors to be more creative during post-production. Nanotechnology will be well adopted within the film and television community because it will innovate and improve how film and television are filmed and created. At this time, nanotechnology is currently being used. Therefore, as soon as this technology advances, film studios will incorporate it as it evolves. It will undoubtedly help reduce some costs during post production because there will be better software and powerful computers. This will make editing faster as well as less months for the completion of a film. Also, the creation of nanoelectronics in nanotechnology will benefit the usage of cameras because the devices will be lighter, making it easier to carry and move around during filming. At the same time, it will reduce the power required to use this technology. Monetization and nanotechnology holds a great promise for the future in the television and film industry. This industry should be aware of this as research has increased. The materials and devices that nanotechnology brings will completely change how the industry will develop its future features and TV shows. All these new advances will possess features that will help develop better films and most likely reduce the cost of making these films as stronger computers are developed and better software are developed for this medium. The data and information needed to collect and to determine if nanotechnology is beneficial to the film and television industry will be as this technology is developed. There is still a lot of research and development needed to be done to know exactly how nanotechnology will help this industry, but based on the concept of this technology, I do not see how it cannot help. This technology will help in filmmaking as this technology will help to produce movies and TV shows in ultra high definition through the use of better and advanced equipment, computer graphics, and editing capabilities. My conclusion. As I started my research for this assignment, I learned that Hollywood had already created films based on nanotechnology, and they were not that far fetched as to what the film storylines were. They incorporated real data information plus added a touch of fantasy to create a great sci fi action adventure movie or TV show. I do feel this technology will create great advances for the industry, but also for mankind. It will help the industry to create awesome special effects that will leave the viewer in awe. Currently, in today's filmmaking, a lot is involved, and a lot of computers in all phases of production rely on a lot of high, powerful hardware and software to create these films. With the use of nanotechnology, all of these phases will be faster to complete. Looking forward to creating films with the help of nanotechnology. Thank you.